Hello, today we will learn how to make our document error free. So, in Word, there is a review tab. Here we have a tool that is called the editor. When I will click over here, I can find that how many mistakes are there in my Word document, and this editor score is 65%. So it is telling me that there are some 32 spelling mistakes and 23 grammar mistakes are there. So what I will do, I will click here, and then according to its suggestions, I will follow the suggestions. So now you can see the score is going to be improve about my document. So maybe grammar also I need to improve, and spellings as it is going to tell me. So those spelling mistakes I will fix according to the suggestions over there. Okay, now I click on the grammar, and I follow the suggestions that is given by that, so I can find more on grammar and I can fix those mistakes over there. So here similarly it tells you about other things as well, like clarity, conciseness, formality, and all these things, punctuation mistakes if you make any, so it will show you over here. So suppose here I put some mistakes myself, so it can tell me, and I can now in this way I can improve the proofing or the corrections required on my document with this editor tool available in review tab. After this, in review tab, we have a word count. Word count, we can see it gives me the all the statistics about my document, like how many words are there, how many characters are there, how many paragraphs are there, and more suggestions about the editor score it gives me. Then I can check the accessibility. After that, there is an option of translate that is really very good. Suppose I select only this line and I want to translate it. It also detected it is in English language. Maybe I want to translate it in maybe German. So this is going to be telling me that it is in the German, and then I click on insert. So now it is not in English language, it is in German language. So in this way there is a long list of languages available here. Suppose here I change it with Japanese, so it is going to tell me in the Japanese, so I can convert it this question in the Japanese. So it also depends that you want to apply on a whole document or only you want to apply on the selection. So if you want to apply on the whole document, just you need to select here, and then here maybe I say Chinese, so I click there, I translate it, so my all document will be converted into the Chinese language. So obviously it will take some time, as my document is very long document, but now you can see here it is all converted in Chinese language. So thank you.